What's wrong, Connie?
Get on the boat.
Connie says, get on the boat. We're going. This is our trip kicking off. Scotty boy.
Let's do this.
Oh, he's on camera talking. That does not happen very often. And we are going to try this. At some point on this trip across the ocean, we are going to fish this bait I got from none other than Marlin Baits. Nate hooked it up. He came here a little while ago. We did some fishing and he gave me this with one condition. I have to fish it. And I'll tell you what, if I catch one fish on this, it's retired and it's going on the trophy shelf. But we're just gonna start our crossing now. The plan is to go check in over at Walkers and then maybe look for some tunas or do some bottom fishing. That's what we're gonna go do. We'll get up with you back at Walkers and show you some beautiful scenery of the crossing right now, because for once, we have an awesome crossing.
Before I know.
So that boat has no fishing rods.
But fun.
We gotta go catch dinner for them. And then we're all meeting up for this guy's birthday tonight.
Scott, legs in the boat, be careful. You know if they have Jaeger or not?
They actually just got a shipment.
I called ahead for you. Don't lie to us. If not, we have some. Joey. It's in the other boat. We're good, bro. We got. Oh, in the big boat.
Does that work? Put a reel on it. That's it for checking in. This is Walkers. I didn't get out because we stayed in the boat, hung out with some friends, but those are a couple more people here for the tournament. That's Perry's boat, Seeing Double, and the Tender, another giant yellowfin. You got Al from Long Dars over there, Bruce Jacobus, Coleman, Mike Ambinder, Casey Osmond. They're all over there. So we're gonna be seeing hopefully everyone tonight for Mason's birthday. This is wrapping it up at Walkers. Now it's time to go out front. We're gonna see if we can find some tuna and then maybe do some bottom fishing.
I want a cuda.
That could probably happen. We can probably find a cuda. We do have Cuda Brown on the wheel. Got some whales. You can throw it in neutral probably. Everyone is getting some stuff together. We got the rods out, or getting them out right now. We got a little mini birdnado going up there. I heard from Captain Concon that there were some fish busting up there, but I haven't seen it yet. But I was putting a line out. But we got the popper right here, got the Saldex 6000 with the Tsunami surface blaster on the Tsunami carbon shield rods. And I know you can't see it on the GoPro because it's not good for distance, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 birds working right there. 5. Oh, they're dipping too. There's fish. I just saw a little white water. Something bust up on top. All right, we got fish on. Scotty boys got them on.
Casey, bring me shotgun. Oh, shotgun.
How many fish are hooked up?
See if you can get a bite on the way.
All of them?
One.
Oh.
So look at the body there. One.
Yeah, we still got birds all around, so I'm gonna keep throwing this. Scotty's got our dinner coming in. Come on. Still got birds working, but not really seeing any tunas busting right now. We'll get back on them after this fish though, hopefully.
Got it?
Yep, it got color down there. It's hard to tell, but it looks decent.
Yeah. Tuna. Pinwheeling good.
Do you want? You might want to move those 2 back rods, guys. I have a feeling.
Well,
he's
one's
gonna
a gaff
swim
he's
over.
gonna take.
Oh, I would move it in case it goes around. For that reason.
He's right up here, right off of me right now, Connie. It's a good tuna. You can see the yellow on him.
Come on, baby. Hold on. Oh.
He got mad. I think that fish is bigger than we thought it was. Oh, look at that shine down there. Casey, there's another gaff. You want the other gaff?
He's got both. I don't think we'll need.
Well, just to be ready with the other one.
Michael, where's your gaff?
Casey, come up on this side of him. Or Michael, there you go. It's not tiny.
Nice.
Wait, watch the ergers. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Dinner.
Birds are still here. Let's go get them. Okay, put the lines out. Come on.
Good job, Scotty.
Come back.
There we go.
That's it.
You hold him up then, Casey, if Scott doesn't want it.
I'll do it. Got him. Number 1. First fish of the trip.
First fish of the trip.
This is all Scott. It's all Scott's
Good
work.
job, Scotty. All right, where's he going? Lines out, lines out.
Raw water, Connie.
Got that set. Connie, we are having tuna tonight.
Yes.
Now get out of the way so I can get that line out. Just kidding. Birds are up there getting back into the popper zone of things. Casey's got fish number 2 hooked up. That's why he's a power man.
So I fight out of a rod holder.
Rod holder's the way to go. No heroes here.
Hey, we drowned this time.
Casey just put it into 2-wheel high.
Yeah.
Blackfin in.
Okay, we're still on it. Do you have anything good to go?
Do we want this guy?
You want that blackfin or just let him go?
I don't. Scott said no.
There he goes. Swim away. This cut looks funny.
What?
We got our tuna for dinner. 1 tuna. That's all we needed. We could have, of course, caught so many more, but we decided not to. No, it was a short day of fishing today. Fun day hanging out, driving around, checking in over at Walkers, and then tuna fishing. Now we are at Grand, and we're going through Funny Cut. This is gonna require some expert driving. It really can be super dangerous going through this cut. You'll see why it's called Funny Cut, especially in a bigger boat like this. I'm gonna make sure I stay out of Scott's way. Connie's gonna be up on the bow, talking to him, giving him direction. But the current's moving pretty solid through there right now, and on the sides it gets super shallow. So you could definitely wreck your boat, and when you do something like that over here, parts are not readily available. So the plan is to get in here, go that way, and we're staying over there where I'm pointing. You can't see that. We'll take you on a little tour of the island, see what kind of life is around today. Some kitty cats maybe. Maybe we will see Brillo, the dog that we've seen here so many times. More like twice. Connie's thumbs up saying good. Funny cut. There it is. Little Grand Cay.
Don't go any further right.
So you get super shallow right up there. And then you can see the rocks are all exposed there.
Didn't we go that way? Yeah, we go. Yeah, cut right. Not a current ripping through here today.
Yeah, current's smoking. Connie says go right here. She's told us it's a little shallow right there.
Oh, there's a shark right there.
Sharknado?
Yeah, look at it.
That's a starfish.
What?
Did you really see a shark?
Yeah, that's like a little reef. It's like,
I got a feeling we're gonna see Lady Angler of the Year tonight on our dock.
they don't have any idea with the chamois mop rod, the CN 6000. Done.
That's not going in the video till tomorrow. We got a secret rod going in the video. Not tomorrow, but probably a continuation of this video tomorrow. Is there?
I swear. No joke. Party outfit.
Oh god. I don't know what's coming for
Go
him.
to a birthday on Grand.
Big old strawberry.
If these stay tasty, I would have given them.
You wanna grab those knives? Tuna. There we go.
Still on?
Yep.
After we check.
Beautiful tuna. We're gonna be hitting them with the sword. We've got the 7 and 9 inch. Let's go ahead and get them chopping. The #1 club on Grand. You can find this guy and that girl and everyone else, and even Al from Long Doggers. Just beginning, just beginning. Yep. It don't get any fresher.
Is every guy here?
Good
I
stuff.
saw your brother 2 days ago at Douglas.
Oh
Yeah, I'm heading up to Gainesville.
Your brother, what does he look like?
The family is like, oh.
Good morning from Grand.
Good morning.
Never again. Now we're ready
Try not to open that again.
Yeah.
for day 2.